Hello, dear viewers. Today we're embarking on a flavorful journey through the streets of Turkey, discovering 12 unique and traditional Turkish street foods that have been cherished for generations. From Boza to Pickle Juice, Turkish ice cream to Wafer Halva, each of these treats has its own story, recipe, and unique way of being served. Let's dive into the rich history, ingredients, and distinct street-style presentations that make these foods unforgettable. Ready to explore? Let's go! Our journey begins with Boza, a fermented winter drink with origins dating back to the Ottoman Empire. Made from millet flour, water, and sugar, Boza has a unique tangy flavor, thanks to the fermentation process. This drink, served in glass cups with a sprinkle of cinnamon and roasted chickpeas on top, is a classic comfort during cold nights. Drinking Boza is not just about taste, it's a ritual of warmth, shared conversations, and a touch of nostalgia. Next we have Pickle Juice, a drink that's both refreshing and packed with health benefits. This tangy beverage is a staple at pickle stalls across Turkey. The juice, made from a brine of fermented vegetables, is often spiced with hot peppers or garlic. Known for aiding digestion, pickle juice is a Turkish favorite for a quick pick-me-up, especially for those who love sour and savory flavors. Wafer Halva, with its light and crispy texture, has been a beloved sweet since Ottoman times. This treat is often enjoyed on its own or with a layer of creamy Turkish ice cream sandwiched in between. The thin, crispy wafers and the light sweetness make it especially popular with children and a nostalgic snack for adults. Wafer Halva is a perfect treat for anyone craving something quick, crunchy, and sweet. Söğüş is a refreshing and unique street food from Turkey's Aegean region, especially popular in Izmir. Made with thinly sliced lamb or beef tongue, cheek and brain, Söğüş is mixed with tomatoes, onions and parsley for a light yet flavorful taste. Served in a flatbread with a squeeze of lemon, Söğüş is a tribute to fresh ingredients and unique flavors. It's a true taste of the Aegean region. Şambali is a sweet delight made with semolina and sugar syrup, commonly found in Izmir and across the Aegean. With its dense texture and intense sweetness, Şambali is cut into diamond shapes and served on paper plates. This dessert, known for its simplicity and rich flavor, is a reminder of the timeless appeal of traditional Turkish sweets. The ring dessert, or halka tatlı, is one of the most iconic Turkish street sweets. Golden in color and crispy in texture, each ring is deep-fried and then dipped in a sweet syrup. This dessert is especially popular in the evening hours, providing a sweet fix that's both crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. Perfect for those with a sweet tooth. Lokma is a treat with deep cultural roots, often served at weddings and memorials as an act of giving. These small dough balls are deep-fried to perfection, then soaked in syrup for a sweet caramelized finish. Freshly made and served warm, Lokma is a delicious bite-sized dessert that brings people together to celebrate or commemorate. Turkish ice cream, especially the famous Maraş Dondurma, is known for its unique texture and the theatrical way it's served. Made with goat's milk and mastic, it's stretchy and has a slight chewiness. Vendors put on a playful show, twirling the ice cream on long sticks and teasing customers before finally handing it over. This unforgettable presentation adds to the cool, sweet experience of Turkish ice cream. Macun sakari, or candy paste, is a treat with origins in Ottoman herbal medicine. Made from various herbal extracts and spices, this colorful sticky candy is twisted onto sticks and is especially loved by children. With its vibrant colors and unique taste, Macun sakari is a fun and flavorful experience that's both sweet and aromatic. Iced almonds are the perfect summertime snack, served chilled to offer a refreshing break from the heat. These almonds are soaked in ice-cold salted water, creating a mildly salty and cooling taste. Often sold in small bags, iced almonds are a convenient and satisfying snack, ideal for wandering through the bustling streets on a hot day. Bici is a unique and refreshing dessert from Adana, designed to combat the region's scorching summer heat. Made from shaved ice, rose syrup and starch pudding, this dessert is topped with powdered sugar and sometimes even pomegranate seeds. The vibrant colors and cooling texture make Bici a popular choice among locals and visitors alike. Tachi Salata, or street salad, is a fresh accompaniment commonly served with Turkish kebabs. Made with finely chopped tomatoes, peppers, parsley and seasoned with spices and lemon juice, this salad is light, refreshing and adds a burst of flavor to any meal. Tachi Salata brings a healthy, vibrant side to Turkish street food culture. These 12 Turkish street foods each tell a story of tradition, community, and flavor. From sweet treats to savory snacks, Turkey's street foods offer a taste of history and culture that's been passed down through generations. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey. Until next time, keep exploring and savor every moment.